Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add API integrations in Base44 Apps Backend. The first thing I want you to do is actually go to Base44. Now there's two ways to go about this. You can first navigate to your application dashboard in Base44, go to the settings section, and then you click here in app settings, and then you just come here to backend functions, go ahead and activate this. So that's the first way. And the other way is to just go to their integrations catalog. You'll find a lot of different apps right here, Monday.com, eToro, OpenAI, things like that. And then you can go ahead and create your integrations through these. These are ready-made integrations, which is from the catalog. So you find the desired integration, and then you go ahead and follow the prompts to provide the required API keys or secrets from the external service. We can also do the other way is just to go ahead and obtain your API key. So you log into the external service you want to integrate. Let's say, for example, OpenAI or Stripe. Here you get API keys. You go ahead and copy that key, and then you go back to a Base44. Under the developer section, you just go ahead and copy and paste the API key into Base44 when you're prompted during the integration process. And after the integration has been made, you can go ahead and test the integration as well. Okay? It's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.